A third reflection on this says this: unified governance. Eye-glazing words, even to the most ardent church nerd like myself. Yet the idea of radically reshuffling how it is that we make decisions at the national setting touches upon so many key issues: power, racism, trust, covenant, community. Indeed, that what it is which makes us a church and not just another nonprofit. I've been in the thick of unified governance discussions frequently during my 4 years so far on the wider church ministries board. I came in during the middle of a conversation that had been going on for years, even decades in some ways. Now I've endured hurtful, bitter exchanges and witnessed miraculous meetings of the minds that seemed genuinely spirit-filled. And the latest Unified Governance Task Force, of which I was a part, certainly qualified as the latter. I am convinced at this point that we need to finish the deal. Countless dedicated UCCers have labored long and hard to the best of their abilities to bring our denomination to this juncture. The unified governance proposal that the conferences are considering is a viable way forward, one that increases our denomination's flexibility to adapt to the rapidly changing realities of our society. Now, it's not perfect by any means, but no church structure we've dreamed up over the last 2 millennia has been. The covenanted ministries in the national setting are beginning to work together in unprecedented and creative ways, in part because of unified governance moving forward at Synod, and also partly because the unremitting financial pressures are pushing for folks to work together more. I'm excited about the possibilities that increased cooperation and planning can bring, making us a united Church of Christ in more than just name. The walls of silos between the ministries, walls that seemed so dishearteningly impenetrable when I first visited the Cleveland offices, are at long last beginning to fall. Let's keep marching forward. So as I mentioned, those are just 3 reflections from folks who went to General Synod. I hope you do take the time to educate yourself more as we prepare for annual meeting in Pasco this next April. Hope to see you there.